If your videos are not showing on YouTube search results, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it so you can rank high in search results and start getting more views. Let's jump into it. Most of your views on YouTube are going to come from three main sources: browse features, suggested videos, and YouTube search. And if you really want to start getting more views on YouTube and grow your YouTube channel, then you need to master how to get more views from these three sources. Today, our main focus is how to make your videos rank high in search results so you can get more views from YouTube search. As you can see, this particular video of mine has majority of the views coming from YouTube search. So it is very important to optimize your channel and your videos so you can get more views from YouTube search. If you look at this video too, you can see that I had a lot of views from YouTube search. And finally, as you can see, even this my short had most of the views coming from YouTube search. So as you can see already that YouTube search is very important. So go to your YouTube analytics, then go to your videos, then go to reach, then look at where your viewers are coming from. If you're not getting more views from YouTube search, then you need to do these simple settings that I'm going to show you so you can start getting more views. So first of all, go to your YouTube studio. As you can see, we are already in our YouTube studio. All you have to do is simply open your browser and search for YouTube studio. Click on the first link and it will take you to your YouTube studio. Then click on settings on the sidebar on your left. Then go to channel. Scroll down and you will find keywords. And this is where you will put keywords relevant to your channel. This is very important if you want to increase visibility to your channel and start ranking high in search results so you can get more views. Unfortunately, most small creators don't know about this and don't even touch it at all, which is hurting their views and killing their channels. So come here and put keywords that are related to your niche. So as you can see, this channel is about YouTube growth. That's why you are seeing keywords that are related to YouTube growth. What I advise you do is to put broad keywords and also phrases that viewers are likely going to search for on YouTube. So for example, broad keywords in this example can be like YouTube growth hacks, YouTube tips, monetization, subscribers, and so on. Then you can have phrases like how to get more views, how to get views on YouTube, how to get subscribers, and so on. When you are done, don't forget to click on the save button at the bottom right corner to save your changes. And if you don't know the right keywords to use, simply just go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate channel keywords for your channel. So I'm going to generate channel keywords for this particular channel for you to see. So like I said, all you have to do is go to chatgpt.com and type in this particular prompt. I'm going to leave this particular prompt in the video description. So you can also use it to generate keywords for your channel. So as you can see, it has generated keywords for this particular channel. So these keywords are very important to help YouTube to understand what your channel is about, increase visibility to your channel, and help your channel or your videos rank high in search results so you can get more views, especially from YouTube search. So now let's move to the next important setting to help you get more views from YouTube search. Also in your YouTube studio, click on customization on the sidebar on your left. Then click on profile. Scroll down and you're going to find your channel description. This is also very important. Make sure that your channel description is clear. It contains keywords in your niche. That is going to help YouTube to understand what your channel is about and help you rank high in search results so you can get more views. As you can see, this particular description contains almost all the important keywords in the YouTube growth niche. You will find watch time, you will find YouTube SEO, you will find YouTube algorithm, you will find subscribers, you will find views, you will find almost all the important keywords in the YouTube growth niche. This is how you are supposed to generate your channel description. Your channel description should also contain keywords in your niche. This is going to help to increase the visibility of your channel, and it is going to help your channel to rank high in search results, and you're going to get more views. Also, with your channel description, you can ask ChatGPT to help you generate it for you. So these two settings I showed you is going to help optimize your channel. And now I'm going to show you settings that is important to help you optimize your videos, to help you rank high in search results so you can get more views. The two most important things that is going to help you to get more views from YouTube search, that is going to help your videos to rank #1 in YouTube search so you can get more views, are your titles and your descriptions. Very important. Your titles should contain keywords that viewers are searching for. So write your titles the way people are going to search on YouTube. If someone wants to learn how to make YouTube thumbnails, they are likely going to search on YouTube how to make YouTube thumbnails. So that is how you're supposed to write your titles. You're supposed to write your titles in a way that viewers are likely going to search for. And this is going to make your videos pop up when viewers search for content on YouTube, hence helping you to get more views. Your descriptions are also one of the things that YouTube use to rank videos. So make sure that your descriptions contain keywords on the topic. Make sure that it contains keywords that viewers are likely going to search for. That is the only way you're going to get more views from YouTube search. You can also make ChatGPT to help you generate SEO and keyword-rich titles and descriptions. I do this all the time. I usually make ChatGPT to generate SEO and keyword-rich titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags for my videos. And that helps me to get more views from YouTube search. I will also leave this prompt in the video description. You can check it out after watching this video. And lastly, go back to settings, and this time you're going to click on upload defaults. And the basic info, scroll down and you're going to find tags. Just like the keywords we put on our channel in the first setting to optimize our channel, over here under the tags section, we're going to put keywords here that are going to reflect on all our future videos. So put about 5 to 10 keywords here that are relevant to your channel or your niche. And later, when you are uploading your individual videos, you can fill it up or add more keywords that are relevant to your individual videos. These keywords are going to appear on all your future videos, and they are going to help your videos to rank high in search results so you can get more views. Especially as a small creator, when YouTube doesn't have enough data about your channel and content yet, YouTube is going to use these tags to know the right audience to push your content to, and you're going to get more views. Try all these settings I showed you and you're going to start getting more views on YouTube. But like you saw earlier, there are other important sources you can get more views and grow your channel. So subscribe and stay tuned. And don't forget to like this video and drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.